Open the golden gates for us. Open the golden gates for us. Open the golden gates for us. Said open, open the gates. Open the gates for us. Said Lord, said open the gates for us. Open the gates for us. Oh, I said Lord, amen. I said Lord, amen. I said Lord, amen. Just close your eyes, see the sun. Won't be long till you're the one. Said open your arms and look for your gift. Saves you, Lord, salvation all day, yeah. All day, yeah. It's the only thing I think about, hey. It's the reason there's a ring around me, oh. I'm about to knock out, stay back. It's for the peeps in the way back. Yeah, we the needle in the haystack. Yo, 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 yo. Oh, it's a nice graduation. It's divine elevation. It's for the whole generation. We got the keys and we handing them out. Oh, it's a nice meditation. It's just the best medication. It's a holy sensation. Pass it around, this is what we about. Just close your eyes, see the sun. It won't be long till you're the one. Said open your arms, look for your gift. It's crazy, Lord, salvation all day, yeah, all day, yeah, all day, yeah. Open the golden gates for us. Open the golden gates for us. Say Lord, amen.